Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 244. If we start with this square, we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 5, 8, 8 and 9 here. That makes this our 5, 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so 3. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That 2 makes us our 9, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5, a 3 here, so 5, 7, and no help here, 3, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so that makes us our 1. A 3 here makes us our 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. We can get rid of this 7 here, which means the only place in this box our 7 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 8, 8 here, so 1, 5, 8 here, so 1, 5. That means our 8 has to be here. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3, 5, 1, 5. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.